new Spice V801 that was released some time ago, and in this particular video we're going to do an unboxing of this device. It's already an open box, actually it's a review unit, but we're going to still see what's inside the box and have a first look at this phone. So let's get started. Yep. So then we have a fairly large box. You can see that's the device. We actually have the black model, but you can still see it's a kind of a dual color tone phone. V801, 3GB bigger RAM. You also have a fingerprint sensor, 8MP selfie with flash. You also have an 8MP back camera, supports 4G VoLTE. That is, your Geo will get into this one. 5-inch HD display, 2.5D display, fingerprint sensor. That will be for 8MP plus 8MP cameras. Android 7, 3GB RAM, 16GB ROM, plus it also supports micro SD card expansion up to 32GB. All the bands that it supports. It's powered by a 1.25 GHz 64-bit quad-core processor. Also has some of the other things, and 2700 mAh battery. This one costs about 7,999 in the market. So when you open the box, on top we have the phone. We'll come back to the phone in just a bit. When you go further inside, you get some documentation, like this is the quick start guide, and then you'll also have the warranty card. Plus you'd have this very rugged, and you have this leatherite finish back cover, and it has this nice, I don't know, muslin kind of a finish on the inside, so that it does not hurt the back of the phone. Nice touch and something different from the other usual transparent TPU back covers. Here you'd have the power brick, you have the entry-level earphones, and then you also should have the micro USB cable. And there you go, that's the phone. Let's take it out from the plastic, and that's, I told you, you have the black version, and I love this dual tone finish on this one. At this price point it looks definitely premium. However, this is plastic, mind you, and not metal. You have this nice gold ring around here, glossy upper half, and then you have this matte finish, almost a rubbery kind of a feeling, and then Spice written in gold. That's the fingerprint sensor. There's also, you can see, kind of a texture here, very nice. And then you have your 5-inch screen. It's an HD screen and is glossy. 8MP front camera with the LED flash, your earpiece, and some of the other soft keys there. Nothing much here. Micro USB port, your speaker grill, the power button, volume rocker, and 3.5mm jack. That's the 8MP back camera. Overall, although it's plastic and it's not removable, by the way, the 2700 mAh battery resides inside. It holds nice, feels good, and being a 5-inch device, it's relatively easy to manage. That's the HD display. Looks fairly bright, although not the crispest one that I've seen. The viewing angles are also decent. You can see from here. That's the UI. It's powered by Android 7.0. Those are the notification, and then nothing much from here. Long press here, bringing the OK Google part. That's the recent button. You can see out of 3GB, 2.23 GB are available, and that's the back button. You can press here to add various widgets and those kind of stuff. And then that's the app drawer. I like that sound as well. So yeah, let's quickly go ahead and check out the settings here. You see Android 7.0, 3GB memory, device storage is 16GB. Then what else do we have? Security, battery, storage settings. You see memory 26% is used, device storage is used 36%. So you get only about just over 10 GB of storage space, but ample memory still left, although we haven't used this device. So yeah, it's still in its pristine state. You have a fingerprint sensor and some of the other apps, the usual Google apps. You see, you can have some of the in-house apps, and then some third-party apps like WhatsApp, Xender, and whatnot, Instagram, and those kind of thing. There, Xender. But can you actually go ahead and uninstall some of this? Yes, you can go ahead and uninstall. So that's a good thing. If you do not need those, please go ahead and uninstall those. And then that's the back camera. It's, yeah, fairly fast. You have some of the shooting modes like beauty, and you also have a low light mode. You also have a pro mode where you can change some of this stuff. You see, ISO, exposure compensation scale, and a white balance and whatnot. And then whilst you have the video on the other side, and then the panorama. Here you have, again, you have what is it, some stickers and kind of stuff. Then you have the flash HDR. You also have filters, and then the camera system settings like shutter sound. You can enable touch capture. You also have some advanced settings where you can set the video quality, you know. So you see the max is 720p for the rear camera, and what is that is the front camera. Also 8MP front camera, plus you also have the flash there. You can also have it continuously on if you in case it's recording video under low light. You also have your photo and a video mode, you can see there, and then also some of those settings over there. So there was, guys, a very quick look at the new Spice V801. If you like this video, if you like to see more of these unboxing videos, please hit the like button, subscribe to our channel. You can hit the icon out there, and do not forget to press the bell button so that you get notified whenever we publish these new videos. Thank you.